Hello guys, welcome back to another train and today we're at Birmingham International on the West Midlands main line. No trains past Coventry, no trains past Stafford, so there's only trains going to and from there. We've got, here's a 350, I'll get the number, it's 350, or what is it, 368 that brought me in from Birmingham, from Marston Green, and let's see what should arrive to part here at Birmingham International. And then here's German part now to Boston now, so from Birmingham International to Ritchie Trent Valley, 368. 36 to Ritchie Trent Valley from Birmingham International. And turning up now to Tampa. Where was it? Was it Warsaw? What was it? Warsaw Tasca. Warsaw Tasca to Birmingham International via Tampa. Lucky to catch this. I rushed on this train to get here and I caught the Tampa. Coming in. Might be heading back out, I don't know. Here goes a Tampa. Coming through. $7:38, 08806. Yeah, there's a Tampa. I don't know what that's doing. That'll be working. I might be heading back out, I'm not too sure. But there's a Tampa. Great, so then, so there's the Tampa. I'll see. What's that Tampa doing? Is it going to go through? Oh, Tampa might be on a red line. Is it going to go through? What's that Tampa doing? It's now stopped. I'll see what it's doing afterwards. And go to find out the transport file zones. But Birmingham International to Aberystwyth. I think it's off. Is it off? Yeah. Oh, it's off now. No, I thought it when it departs. And now going to run now the transport file service from Birmingham International to Aberystwyth. I think it's off. Off again. $158,926 on the front. Should be off now. About. What time is it? So it's not leaving yet, I'll film when it leaves. Terminating it now is the London Fossil Railway Class 350 from Birmingham New Street, which is got by a singular 4-car. And then it goes down the transport rail service from Birmingham International to Aberystwyth and Shrewsbury via Shrewsbury, or by Air Transport Class 158, 158, 926 and 158. Oh! I've been out 83 to Aberystwyth and Shrewsbury via Shrewsbury via Air Transport for Wales, where the front unit will get left at Shrewsbury and the other two will continue on its merry way to Aberystwyth. And that 350 is 350 409 that terminated in from Birmingham District. I'll be headed back out to Birmingham District. The tapper, if you can see down there, has made some movement. It's going down there, and I think it's stopped now, but it might be coming back up. I don't know what that tamper's doing. I'll check on Traxi now and see if the tamper's giving me information if it's going to go back. I don't know what the tamper will be doing now, but I'll see. My mistake, that train came in from Ritchie Trent Valley. The one from Birmingham New Street is just by Adley Park or Stetchford. And the tamper is just down there. It's going down further and further. It might be going down to Coventry. I don't know why, but the tamper's continuing on down. It might be coming back up. I'm not too sure. But that 350 that terminated, it terminated in... It's been cancelled. So apparently this train's now been cancelled. This train to Rugeley. So this train was meant to, it's terminated here now. It's been cancelled because of the other train that got late that we hopped off of. And this is D5409 from Rugeley. I thought this was from Birmingham New Street. It's not. It's from Rugeley. Just to let you know, I got it wrong. So the 350 that's going to Rugeley, it's been retaken to go back to Rugeley. So it's be the 1821 service to Rugeley from starting at International. And then terminated again now is a London Festival Railway Class 350 from Birmingham New Street. It's by a 4-car, it might be a 4 and 8-car 350, I don't know. Because it's come from Birmingham New Street. These will normally go up to London, but the line's shut. So they're only going to International.
We are sorry to announce that the 1821 London North Western.
So here comes now the 350. Is that a pair of them? Was it on its own?
We're now boarding on platform 3. It's the reinstated 1821 West Midlands Railway service to Ritchie Trent Valley via Birmingham New Street.
Here comes now the 350 train from Birmingham New Street. It's just on its own for London or Boston Railway. It's 350 407 to International. It's just on the West Midlands Railway. Is it? I don't know. It's from Birmingham New Street. Terminating here, and then that's 407. I'll see when that leaves. I'll check on Traxi and see what time that leaves. That tamper that I filmed, it's gone all the way down to Hampton and Arden area, it looks like, so it might be heading down to Coventry and further on down when the line's shut. So I don't know what that tamper's actually doing now, because it's meant to go to here. It might come back up, I'm not too sure, but there's a thief terminating in from Birmingham New Street. What's that man doing down there?
I don't know.
He's up on the train.
I don't know, but he got a bit close to you, that's why I called you.
Oh, I know what train he's hopping on. There's a 390 to Stafford. He might be hopping on that. That's 12 minutes late. That's why he's waiting over here, because there's only train. The time that's here is a 390. And I'll get on to part now is the bus from the Railway service to Ritchie Trent Valley. 409. Running to Valley. There goes to Ritchie Trent Valley. Next stop for that will be Marston Green. Terminating you now is at Avanti West Coast Pendolino from Stafford by a 9 or 11 car Pendolino. So let's see what number this is. It's like a 9-cot Pendolino.
This is a passenger safety announcement. If you have heavy luggage or pushchairs,
001.
lifts are located at the centre of all platforms.
Yeah.